Okay, now I take all the information from the question and put into here. Okay, now so let's go to the equation, the velocity vector equation. Now what do we have here? We have VPW. We know the direction. Okay, so we have one. I'm going to this known. Then VW, we also know the direction. Okay, now so if I have these two, then I'm not going to bring this over here anymore. Why? Because I'm going to find this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put single arrow here and single arrow here, and these two components will give the resultant of VP. So this is two arrow. Okay, now so we're going to put it into the velocity vector diagram. Okay, now VPW. Remember, when you set up this equation, you follow the order. You follow the order. That means this draw first. VPW draw first. VPW is set a cost of 130, so it will be flying from here. Sorry. So and with different color. So it's going to fly from here. 130 is 90 plus 40. Okay, so this is the VPW. So this is VPW. Okay, and we know it's 350, and this angle here is 130. Okay, then this reading is the magnitude is 350 km per hour. Now let's look at the second arrow. Second arrow is VW. It's from the north. Okay, from the north, wind is flying from the wind is blowing from the north, this direction. So it's from here to here, and it's 50. Okay, now so this come first, this comes second, both single arrow. This is wind, okay, which is actually 50 coming from the north. Now with that, we are able to draw this plus they give you this resultant, which is two arrow. Okay, okay, so this is the resultant from these two. So this become VP is the one. Okay, now let's look at the angle. Now if this is 130, this is minus this 90, this will 40. Okay, if this 40, then this, okay, sorry, let's forget about this. So this is 130, so this is alternate angle, this is 130 as well. Okay, now so if you look at this, I draw it out here. So this will be 350, this 50, This is 130. So with that we can use the sine rule, the cosine rule to find VP. Use cosine rule to find VP. Okay. Now let's look at here. The distance is given at 480. So once you use cosine rule and you manage to find VP, then the time is actually equal to the distance, which is 480 divided by VP. Okay. Then calculate the bearing of B from A. Okay. Remember, it's flying off from A to B. Says you want the bearing of B from A. So basically, what you have to do is the north. This one we already know is 130. So what you have to do is use sine rule. We're going to sine rule to find this angle. Okay. Now after you find this angle, let's say this theta. So that's for 1, for 2, bearing of B from A would be equal to 180 plus theta. Sorry, 130 plus theta, which you can use sine rule to find the angle theta. Okay, this one you use sine rule to find. That's it.